everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video let us see the physical address calculation by 8086. Here the problem is, what is the physical address represented by 4320:561E. This particular representation is a logical representation. In this, the very first address is nothing but your segment address. So that means starting address of the segment where the data is resides, and this particular second part is nothing but offset address of the data, so where the data is located within that particular segment. So it is like some kind of displacement. So now the procedure for physical address calculation is physical address calculation equal to physical address equal to segment address multiplied with 10h plus offset address. When you do this particular calculation, you are going to get a 5 digit hexadecimal number. That is what actual address, or that is what physical address. Sometimes you can call it as a actual address or real address. So now let us consider this particular example. The first part, segment address is 4320 multiplied with 10h plus offset is 561e. So 4320, whenever it is multiplied with 10, you will get 0. Please don't mind, here 4320 is also hexadecimal number and 561e is also hexadecimal number. Okay, so I forgot to inform you, in the logical segmentation, whatever the numbers you are looking at, those numbers are hexadecimal numbers. Okay, so now you need to add this particular 561e here. 561e, 0 plus e, answer is e, 0 plus 1 1, 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 4. So this is the actual address of the data. So that means the 8086 is trying to locate a data, let us say some data. So this data location number is 4881G. So this is the physical address calculation. See, why I am mentioning these particular numbers are, why I am mentioning specifically these particular numbers are hexadecimal, because most of the times whenever you are calculating physical address of the data, generally we will be doing one mistake, like whenever we are calculating this particular expression and when we are doing this addition, generally we will be following the decimal addition. Okay, that means because we are thinking the numbers are decimal. Please make a note that those numbers are hexadecimal. In order to understand that, let us consider one more example. 4320:892F. Okay, so let us consider this is the logical representation of physical address. So in order to calculate physical address, consider the segment address, and when you multiply with this with 10h, you will be getting extra 0 right side. Simply a 0 will be appended towards right side, and you need to add the offset. 0 plus f is f, 0 plus 2 is 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, but in fact in hexadecimal a represents 10, b represents 11, c represents 12 and so on. So 9 plus 2 is nothing but 11. So most of the times few students will be doing like 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 and 1, they will be continuing with decimal addition, but you need to make sure that you are in hexadecimal representation. So 9 plus 2 is 11, so you need to use the symbol B, and 8 plus 3 is also 11 and B 4. So this is the physical address of this particular representation. Sometimes you will not find this direct representation to calculate the segment, calculate the physical address. Sometimes the questions will be like this. They will be giving the registers values, like CS equal to 34 something, you can consider 3480, and let us consider IP equal to 4224, and they will be giving some source index as 4049, and stack pointer they will be giving something 4000h, all are hexadecimal representation. So like this they will be giving the registers and they will be asking the question like what is the physical address of next instruction which is executed. So what is the physical address of the instruction which is going to be executed next? Okay, so in this scenario you need to look at the code segment because you are talking about the next instruction execution. So code segment, and for code segment what is the offset address? So always remember, whenever you are looking at the segment code, for code segment the default offset is available in IP register instruction pointer. Okay, so now the solution is you need to consider the CS 3480 and IP is 4224. So this is the logical representation. Now simply you can calculate 34800 because I am multiplying with 10. As I said, you will be getting a 0 towards right side. Then 4224. 8 plus 2 is 10, but 10 is represented in hexadecimal as A. 4 plus 4 is 8. 38. A24 is the physical address of the next instruction which is going to be executed. Thank you so much.